Ecosystem. Eco, from the Greek oikos, meaning house or environment. System, a set of elements that exist within defined parameters and interact with each other. We move among ecosystems, in our natural world, in our markets, in our companies. How will you ensure the health of your ecosystems, in your world, in your markets, in your company? Your company contributes energy to achieving global goals. These goals, addressing climate change, elevating our communities, and empowering our employees, require not only the efforts of dedicated individuals, but the collective services of our human, economic, and natural ecosystems. As a corporate citizenship professional, you harness the strengths of your company ecosystem and direct its many minds and hands toward the task of creating progress for your business, for your communities, and for our world. Every day you remind all of us that to achieve sustained success, we must extend our focus beyond our own operations, and that when the environment is healthy, our society can be strong. When our society is strong, our economy can be vibrant.